Hello everyone, so today I'm going to tell you why it is very important for you to start preparing for your mains if you're aiming 27. क्योंकि GS मेंस की तैयारी अभी से करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You closely look at these toppers mark sheets that I'm showing you right now. आपने कभी भी नोटिस किया कि उनके मार्क्स कितने हैं? We always hear कि this rank, this person has secured this rank, इनका ये रैंक आया है. बट क्या आपने कभी मार्कशीट को एनालाइज किया है कि किस सब्जेक्ट में कितने मार्क्स आ रहे हैं और टोटल यूपीएससी में स्कोर करने के लिए और रैंक लिस्ट में आने के लिए हाउ मेनी मार्क्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट? It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or repeater, you just ask yourself that during your preparation, how many times you've opened your main syllabus. And seriously, you've checked वहाँ पर खोल के कि कौन सा टॉपिक कंप्लीट है, कौन सा टॉपिक पेंडिंग है और किस टॉपिक से यूपीएससी बार बार सवाल पूछ रहा है. Most aspirants, they make this one common mistake, which is they pick up books, they start rereading those books, they do this with the same books, they start making notes, they watch the lectures, but preparation का actual filter वहाँ पर missing होता है, and that filter is your syllabus and the analysis of PYQs. And these filters, they play a very important role in deciding how you're going to score in your mains. In fact, if you see the mark sheets of the toppers here, you will get to know that despite not being able to score very outstandingly in the optionals and sometimes even in the personality test, they are in the rank list. Because there are candidates who have scored 400 plus in GS and they have made it in the final list year after year. Scoring 400 plus or 450 plus in GS, it is not very random. Because it requires lots of patience, it requires practice, right strategy for each GS paper and guidance. LevelUp is organizing a special workshop where we'll be talking about how to score 450 marks in GS mains. And this is going to happen with Hassan Khan, All India rank 95 in UPSC CSE 2025, who himself scored 450 marks in his GS mains. So of course, if it's coming from the one who has experienced it, who has done this, he's going to tell you in a better manner. So in this workshop, you will learn how to use the syllabus, आप PYQs को कैसे analyze करें, current affairs को कैसे include करें, and all this can be done as a scoring framework. There will be a complete breakdown of the 450 GS mark, how to exactly prepare GS1 to GS paper 4. So you need to make that strategy, how to convert your class notes into mains ready answer templates. And most importantly, how beginners, they are targeting 2027, they should plan their roadmap till December 2026. Because ये time बहुत crucial है आपके लिए if you are aiming 2027. So if you're preparing for 27 and if you feel that you are studying but not you are able to connect the syllabus, PYQs, current affairs, you're not able to do all this properly, this workshop is for you. And the workshop is tomorrow on 10th of July. So hurry up, register fast, and the timings would be 5:30 PM, both offline and online mode. Register now and learn how to turn your GS preparation into actual mains marks to clear UPSC. So do not miss this chance and attend the session. Thank you.